As the company gets a 2,237 crore boost. Now, promoters will pump in funds via warrants, raising their stake to 18.39% now. My colleague Soumeet joins in with more on this. Soumeet, good morning.
Well, as Zee Entertainment will remain in focus, there were a couple of board meets that were held by the company yesterday. The first board meet was where they discussed with JP Morgan, that is their banker, the growth plans and the strategic initiatives. However, the company has not shared any details on that front. And in the second meet, the board has approved a fundraise from the promoter. The promoter will infuse close to 2,237 crore rupees via warrant subscription. And the issue price for this fundraise is set at around 132 rupees, which has a discount of just 4.5% compared to the current market price. Now, Zee will receive close to 560 crore rupees in the first tranche, that is a 25% of the warrant amount, and the remaining 75%, that is close to 1,677 crore rupees, will come in the next 18 months. And this warrant issuance over a period of next 18 months will increase the promoter holding to close to 18.39% as against the current promoter holding of just 3.99%. And the company will be using these funds to strengthen their balance sheet, to fortify the core business segments, and to explore high growth and value accretive opportunities going forward. Now, few positives that have come in from this announcement that Zee Entertainment has done yesterday. Firstly, this is the first biggest promoter investment post the Zee-Sony merger saga that we had seen last year, and also increased promoter holding means more skin in the game, because low promoter holding was one of the concerns for retail investors when it comes to Zee Entertainment. And this fund infusion will always strengthen the balance sheet and help the company stand strong against one of the major competition, that is Reliance and Disney. And this cash would also enable the company to mitigate any contingent liability that could arise, including the ICC rights dispute with Jio and Hotstar. However, on the negative side, the company already had a cash balance of close to 2,400 crore rupees, that is close to 18% of the market capitalization. And this fundraise raises again the question of how the company will utilize this high amount that is going to come in the company, and was this fundraise even necessary, given the fact that this fund infusion will lead to EPS dilution of close to 15 to 16%. So analysts now believe that there is a trade-off between a dilution and the reward for return on invested funds and projects, and this will be the key monitorable now going forward when it comes to Zee Entertainment.